Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send money from Zelle to PayPal. While these two popular platforms do not directly connect, there is a simple and effective workaround. You will learn how to leverage your bank account as a bridge to move your funds smoothly. This process involves just a few straightforward steps, ensuring your money reaches its destination safely and efficiently. First, confirm that your Zelle account is properly linked to your United States bank account. Zelle is often integrated directly into your bank's mobile app, making this step very convenient. When you receive money through Zelle, it usually deposits into your linked bank account within minutes if the recipient is already enrolled. If they are not, it might take between 1 and 3 business days for the funds to appear. Next, you need to link the very same bank account to your PayPal wallet. Log into your PayPal account, navigate to the Wallet section, and select the option to link a bank account. Once linked, you can initiate a transfer from this bank account to your PayPal balance. Be aware that standard bank transfers to PayPal typically take 1 to 3 business days to process and reflect in your balance. Remember to always double-check all account details before confirming any transfer to avoid delays or issues. Both Zelle and PayPal may have daily or weekly limits on how much money you can send or add, so be mindful of these restrictions. For quicker transfers to PayPal, using a linked debit card can sometimes offer instant deposits, though some fees might apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.